guys, it's me, and today we are just playing some Minecraft, and I have a friend over here. See him? Worked Jewel. Okay, whatever. So, here you are. This is the treehouse. Welcome to the treehouse.
Thank you, sir.
Seriously, stop that. She.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. Just explore around the place. No! I fell, and I'm hungry. Let's see if I can get anything from the farm. Ah, man, the crops are not here. No, do not step on those grass-looking things. They are my crops. And if you step on them, they will turn into seeds. And you don't want that to happen. So, yeah. Want to go into the water? Okay. Oh, I died!
You fell from a high place.
Yes. So,
Where are you now?
I'm back at the treehouse. Just stay there. /TP.
Don't want to die. Don't want to die.
Shift
Mr.
Jewel. 1, 4, 2. I just TP'd to you. I can teleport to you. TP means teleport. Okay, come on. Hey, why did you hit me? Follow me. Follow me. So do not get lost. So we're going back into that water. Are you following me? You're following me. Okay, come on. Just follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. We are going into that pond we were going. And just in case, I'll just kill you so we can go back. Yay. La la la. Let me get you out of here. So we go up through here. See, over here. Come on, over here. Over here, through here. Here. You follow me here. Good, good, good. Okay, let's go. Let's us go up here, up here, up here. Through this pathway. Ugh.
Seriously?
Just go up through the pathway. Ugh. Through the pathway. What?
It's getting late.
I know. Come on, follow the pathway through here.
The sunset.
Ah, come on, there's mobs. Actually, I haven't seen any mobs. So yeah, we're kind of safe. And just in case, if you see any, just go up the treehouse. But we are not safe if we see skeletons, because they shoot arrows.
You see, it's going down.
I know, it's going down. Look at the moon, it's going up behind you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, the sun is going down. Go down, little sun. Go down, little sun. I like you, sun.
The sun just...
Okay, I'm scared. I'm gonna go to the treehouse.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Shift.
Skeleton! Creepers. There's a fireplace. I want to go there. Really, there's a fireplace. Can I go there?
No. TP work Jewel and
Look, there's a fireplace. What's this?
Oh, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, don't tell me you're close to the lava. That place is not a fireplace. That is lava, and if you go in it, you will die.
Yeah, I think this is lava.
Okay, just TP to me.
How do I do that?
You know, there's like a little square on top of the thing. And there it shows kind of like a little talking thing. Press that, and that gets you to the chat, and then put /TP battlegraph 630, and that'll get you TP'd to me.
Oh, wait a minute. There's something.
What? Wait, let me go to you. I don't know where you are, so it might take a while. I think you're in the lava. I don't know. Just stay where you are. Okay, get away from it. I'm getting... Oh yeah, you are at the lava. Why were you...
Oh, you're bad. Oh, no, you weren't. I thought you were a monster. There's nothing bad.
The lava sounds weird. Sounds like bubbly.
Ah!
No! Seriously? Okay, so, slash...
Are you using cheat codes? You died.
I killed myself so I could respawn over here. Kinda cool, right?
So what should we do now?
Stay here and survive the night.
Is there like a bed or something?
No, I don't have a bed. I haven't seen any mobs or animals.
Do you have like Netflix?
No, there's no such thing as a TV. I wish we did.
Oh! Why did you push me?
Because I wanted to.
You know what I'm gonna do?
No, don't!
I'm gonna walk on your crowd.
Come on, it's our food. We need it to survive. No, just stay there. I think I just saw an Enderman. That is so not good. Get back to the treehouse now. I'm really scared. I'm gonna go up the treehouse.
Wanna fight with
Enderman's teleport everywhere, so it's gonna be hard to fight it if there is one. So get back over here, or I will hit you until I kill you, and then you will respawn at the treehouse. Get back! Yes, you died. Good. That is so good. Now let's pretend I'm your dad and do not fall off of that treehouse because you need to stay there so we survive. And do not hit. Hey! Why'd you do that? You're mean. Yeah, I know, it's so awesome. Do not break it! You're gonna break the wall that we need to survive. Here, there's something in the chest, I think. There's a boat, there's a stick, there's gravel. You can open it. Just press it. Press it. No, not for a long time. Just quickly. Press it. Press it. See? Do not... Oh, you just took the boat? Why did you take the boat? Put it back. Put it back in there. Good. Good job. Why are you taking the cobblestone? Stop it. Just stop. I'm gonna take this stick for no reason, and I'm gonna put it back, and I have the boat, and I'm gonna put it over here. So I got an idea. I'm gonna sort this out, and I'm going to put wood stuff over here, and hey!
Sorry.
And hey, stop! Stop it, and things that come from mining, actually, go over here. Stop trying to break everything.
How do you see me, Juan?
Just because. Now stop it. You have flint in your hand? Why?
What What's Flint?
What you're holding right now.
What is it? Is it like a Flintstone?
Not really. You can use it to make flint and steel, and when you use flint and steel to make fire. Where are you? Okay, you are. Do not stop it, or I will hit you. Stop breaking the furnace. That's kind of like an oven. Stop breaking everything and let's survive the night. We only have 10 minutes on this video, so yeah. Waste your time wisely. Where are you? Oh, you're up there.
I'm gonna go down. I'm bored.
I'm bored too. So we're kind of safe. Anyway, if we die, it doesn't matter because we keep our inventory.
Yeah, let's go, man.
Okay, let's go somewhere. Where should we go? Let's go down the pathway. No, you didn't. Why did you do that? I told you not to break the crops. Yeah, you can't eat it unless you pick it and you get wheat. What happened?
My cell phone battery is going down.
Ah. Yeah, we only have like 4 minutes until the video ends, so yeah, it doesn't really matter. So if your battery like goes off, you will just not unjoin the game somehow and disappear. I will be like crying and it would be so not cool, and you will spawn in the middle of nowhere. And yeah, I don't know, but just in case, you could TP to me. Oh look, it's morning, which means we might hear burning up zombies. I don't know why we're in the desert. There's a little cave here. Ow. Oh, there's Serena, whatever. Do not go past this island, cause I'm scared that we might die. Like not die, but get lost. You are going past the island. Well, this looks kind of like Hawaii, but in small version. La la la.
Oh, there's something there.
No, there. I told you not to go past the island. Now get back here. Oh.
No worries. I'm a big... Almost there, almost there. You like following me?
No.
There's a large chest.
No way.
This. Whoa. Look how small. Oh, how did I die?
I don't know. Maybe there was something that blew you up.
This is weird. I thought I was just standing on an island. Did you kill me one?
Yes, I did.
Why?
So you could respawn all the way back here. I slash killed. You know you can do that to me if you want to. Whenever you want. Also, you can TP. I don't know why I just fell off. But do not do it, or else I will slash kill you again. Yeah, and you don't want that to happen. So, yeah, pretty much that's all I wanted to warn you about.
You see my chest?
What?
Do you see my chest?
Yeah, that's not a thing. So whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna slash kill so I can go all the way back here. Slash kill. Okay, this video is almost over. Where are you? Oh, there. You're there. Oh. Hey, why did you hit me? You're mean. Stop it. We need food. We need food. We need food.
No food on this island.
I know. And